Hi guys, and welcome to Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I'm Debbie, and today I'll be showing you how I'm updating my sticker storage so that hopefully I'll use them in my crafting. Stick around to see how. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I post at least one new video each week, so do us both a favor and hit that subscribe button. And make sure that you also hit the bell so you get a reminder every time I upload a new video. I don't know if you're like me or not, but I have a sticker problem. I have lots of stickers, I never use them, and they're really hard to store. So a while back, I put them in these little binders that have got sheet protectors that I've been sliding them into, and that's worked great, but not for those packs of stickers that don't fit. So I came across this idea on another video. I will leave a link down below once I find the person that I got that one from. And she suggested putting them on wax paper. That's right, wax paper out of your kitchen. So what I'm doing here is I am going to be cutting down some cardstock to fit in this binder. And then I have already cut down some sheets of wax paper, and I'm going to glue those onto the cardstock once they're the appropriate size. So you can use your paper trimmer for this. I've actually got a couple of paper trimmers. This one is the one that fits on my desk, and it's great for trimming things down a bit. I also have a massive thing in another room that I did the initial cuts with because it'll be able to do 12 by 12, and these and your sheets of wax paper are 12 inches wide. So I'm going to just use my regular art glitter glue and glue this sheet of wax paper down onto this cardstock. And then I'll set that aside to dry. It doesn't really take that long, so during that time I went ahead and did another sheet on another piece of cardstock, and then went back and did the same process on the back of each of those. Now that they're dry, I want to make sure that they're able to fit into the binder right. When I was gluing the wax paper down, I did leave about 1/4 inch on the edge, and that's for the holes to go through. So I'm using one of the sheets I already had in there, and I'm using my crocodile to punch a few holes in. I don't get them lined up completely correct, so I'm going to test it in the book and probably have to go back and re-punch. Does anybody else besides me always get the punches wrong? Now that the punches are all done and these pages will fit in my binder, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some stickers down. Now, a friend of mine had given me some of her crafting supplies, and that included some stickers, so I'm consolidating everything down onto these pages that I just made. It's really cool. I mean, you can put the sticker down, and because it's on wax paper, it's a release paper, so you can move them around, you can put them somewhere else. As I just did there, I'm picking one up and putting it back down on there, and it stays in place so you won't lose your stickers. That's one of the problems that I was having before, is that I would have to leave them in their original packaging, which is sometimes not really shaped correctly for easy storage, and that just made it harder for me to store in. I never kept anything by my desk. What I'm planning on doing is, over time, redoing all of my stickers, having everything color coordinated, so if I want something in red, let's just say, I'll have a place to go. Or in this case, if I want something tropical like Florida and birds and such, I've got a page that's perfect for that. I do have other pages that are basically the same kind of thing that are not included in my new system yet, but that's because that little binder you saw, I've got about 6 of those. Plus, I've got my Recollections sticker book that I shared with you guys probably about a year ago. I've got that is completely full, and I was having a really hard time just trying to figure out how am I going to use this. So something you guys could help me with is, if you are a card maker and you use stickers on your card, share in the comments below how you go about doing that. I would love to have your comments and know what you guys are doing, because I have a hard time with stickers. I couldn't resist them before and bought a lot, but now I'm not really using them as much as I would like. Hopefully this system will fix that. Another thing that I've noticed is that sometimes paper packs are going to have stickers that, the ones that include stickers, which I have come across some of those, have got some that are very, very long. They're like 12 inches because it is a 12-inch paper pack. So what I decided to do in this case is, because I know I'm not going to be using anything longer than, say, 6 inches, I'm going ahead and cutting those strips that are 12 inches long in half, and then I'm going to save those stickers. Because they're already cut down to a smaller size, I think I have a bigger chance of actually using them on a card. These are almost like small strips of washi tape, which I also have a ton of. But this way, if it's handy and it's in my little binder along with my other stickers, and if I know that it's there and it's easy access, I'm hoping that I'm going to actually use some of these on a card soon. Now that I've added all of those stickers to those pages, I'm going to put them back in the binder, and this binder is staying at my desk, so hopefully I will be using some of the stickers in some cards making coming soon, including those little puppy stickers. That's been real nice. Even thickers will stick to this stuff. So anyway, thank you guys for dropping by, and I hope that this video has helped you with some of your sticker storage issues. If you have any ideas that you think may help me with using these on cards, please go ahead and leave that in the comments, or send me an email over at debbieJ@debbiejscraftingcorner.com. Thanks you guys for watching, and have a wonderful crafty day.